Hey, what's up you guys? Today we're making a sweet chili sauce. It's a condiment and generally used in Asian cuisine. We use with like fried foods and other stuff like that. But without further ado, let's make it. And that's it, everyone. It's nice, it's spicy, it's easy. You can do this. It's better than the bottled one for sure. Very easy. Probably take you like 15 minutes to make, not even 10 minutes. But yeah, it'll be your favorite sauce and for your, spring rolls, egg rolls, lumpiang Shanghai, things like that. And yeah, it's very versatile in regards with you could put it on your noodles, or if you want a little bit of kick to your fried chicken, put that on the side. But yeah, thanks for watching and I'll definitely enjoy this.